What if I told you the key to looking and feeling younger isn't in a pill or cream, but in the way you move your body? Studies show that just 10 minutes of the right stretches each day can literally slow the clock on aging. These aren't your basic gym class moves, they're scientifically proven to boost flexibility, improve posture, and keep your joints young. In fact, a 2018 study in the Journal of Physiology found that regular stretching can mimic the effects of aerobic exercise in older adults by improving vascular health and lowering blood pressure. Here are 5 anti-aging stretches backed by research, proven to keep your body young, strong, and pain-free well into your later years. 1. Cat-cow stretch. This simple spinal flow increases flexibility and keeps your back young. According to research, spinal stiffness is directly linked to aging-related mobility issues. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale as you arch your back and lift your head, cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine and tuck your chin, cat pose. Do this for 10 to 15 deep breaths. It improves circulation to the spine and lubricates the joints. 2. Standing quadriceps stretch. Tight quads and hips from sitting too long? That tension ages your joints fast. The standing quad stretch lengthens the front of your thighs and improves balance, crucial for preventing falls as we age. Grab your ankle behind you, keep your knees close, and gently pull your foot toward your glutes. Hold for 30 seconds each leg. 3. Chest opener stretch. Tech neck and slouched posture can take years off your appearance. Opening the chest reverses those effects and improves lung capacity. Clasp your hands behind your back and lift them gently as you stretch your chest open. Breathe deeply for 30 seconds. 4. Forward fold. This stretch boosts circulation to your brain and keeps your hamstrings flexible. It's perfect for lowering stress and improving mental clarity. Hinge at your hips and let your upper body hang. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Hold the fold for 30 to 45 seconds and feel the tension melt away. 5. Seated spinal twist. Twists maintain spinal mobility and help stimulate digestion, both essential for aging well. Sit tall, bend one knee over the opposite leg, and twist toward the bent knee. Place your opposite elbow outside the knee for support. Hold for 30 seconds and switch sides. Stretching isn't just about flexibility, it's about staying young from the inside out. Science confirms that these 5 daily movements can boost blood flow, reduce stress, support joint health, and even improve brain function. So instead of chasing youth in a bottle, build it into your routine. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more age-defying wellness tips, and check out our next video. 7 foods that reverse aging from the inside out. Your body will thank you.